Wi-Fi network password in Windows 11. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you step by step how to view your Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. See the connected network name and password? It's a very simple process, folks. So let's get started. In Windows 11, go down to the search bar and type Wi-Fi. Press enter on your keyboard and you'll see some Wi-Fi network options. We're going to click on the properties of the network you're connected to. That's the second option. Click on it. Here you'll see network data like security protocol, SSID, bandwidth, speed, but what we want is the show option. Click on this option. Here, folks, you'll see two options, the password to view it and also a QR code if you want to connect. Wi-Fi network password or a QR code to connect. Very quick process, everyone. Did you manage it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Big hug and God bless. Thanks.